Hi there guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace the sky in Photoshop. It's a very simple method. All you have to do is first we start with a duplicate the background copy. So if we make a mistake, we still have our original image. Then we go over to the edit, find sky replacement. And here you have your choices of skies. Right now the computer is rendering. As you can see on the mouse, it's gonna replace the sky any second now with the sky you'll be seeing up here. Let it render. And there you have it. Now you can either choose a different sky. Try this one. And just keep going through the presets you have here. Try another one. And keep going down, scrolling down, and choose any one you wish. You can also upload your own sky selections. I'm going to stick with the first one I chose. And there you have it. You have your new sky. Now you can either adjust the scale of the sky with the scale slider. It goes bigger, but you lose more, and you lose more of the sky. And you can adjust the sky by clicking on the image and replacing it from any section you like. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video. One of my Photoshop videos. Simple, easy tips. And hope to see you in another video. See you and thanks again.